Wilton is well known for its baking products and recipes. Their products are top quality and can be found at stores all over. This Wilton Buttercream recipe with meringue powder is guaranteed to leave your taste buds happy. This is a classic frosting that can be used for weddings or birthday cakes or any of your baked goods. It is a great frosting for icing cakes, piping borders, and creating decorations. This bakery quality frosting is sure to impress. This frosting does require some baking experience, however, the end result will be well worth it. If you are looking for a frosting to go with your cake for a formal event, look no further. Wilton Buttercream recipe. What is meringue powder? Meringue powder is an egg white substitute that is often used in baking. It is mostly made up of dehydrated egg whites, but it also may have stabilizers, sweeteners, and flavoring added to it. It is an easy, coin-vent egg white substitute that has a long shelf life. Meringue powder is often used in frostings or for baked goods that call for lots of egg whites, such as angel food cake. It works well at helping frosting achieve good stability and texture. Although it is unlikely to get salmonella from egg whites, there is a risk of getting ill from consuming any part of a raw egg. Meringue powder has been pasteurized, so it is safe to use. It is also easier to use than separating egg whites. Meringue powder is great in buttercream frosting recipes because it whips up quickly. You can purchase Wilton meringue powder on Amazon or check to see if your local grocery store carries it. Meringue powder can be stored for up to 2 years if it is in a cool, dark pantry. What you will need for the Wilton Buttercream recipe. Ingredients: 3/4 teaspoon no-color almond extract, 1/4 cup meringue powder, a half teaspoon no-color butter flavor, 3/4 teaspoon clear imitation vanilla extract, 2/3 cup plus 3 tablespoons water, 12 cups sifted confectioner's sugar, 1 1/4 cups solid vegetable shortening, 3 tablespoons light corn syrup, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Wilton Buttercream recipe, step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a large bowl, mix 2/3 cup of water with the meringue powder at high speed until peaks form. Add 4 cups of confectioner's sugar, one at a time, beating at low speed. Step 2. Add the remaining 8 cups of confectioner's sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, shortening, and corn syrup. Add each ingredient one at a time, blending well after each. Step 3. Add the salt, no-color butter flavor, vanilla, and almond extract. Beat the mixture at low speed until smooth. Once the frosting is made, keep the bowl covered with a damp cloth until ready to use. Store the remaining frosting in the fridge for up to 2 weeks and re-whip frosting before use. Step 4. If you are planning on having a cake with this frosting outside, keep the cake refrigerated until ready to serve. This will help keep the frosting fresh and avoid melting. This buttercream comes out with a stiff consistency. If you would like a thinner consistency of frosting, you can add 4 tablespoons of water and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. This frosting comes out snow white, making it perfect for wedding cakes. You may also add food coloring to reach your desired shade. Tips and tricks. Ingredients alternatives. If you are unable to find no-color butter flavor, no-color almond extract, and clear imitation vanilla extract in grocery stores, you can purchase them from Wilton on Amazon. If you use regular imitation butter, almond extract, and vanilla extract, it will not give the frosting its snow white color. However, using regular products will still give it the same taste. Easy decoration. If you are not experienced in cake decorating, or are simply looking for an easy way to decorate your cakes, you can try the Wilton Dessert Decorator Plus tool. This icing tool makes it easy to create designs such as flowers, stars, and leaves, amongst other designs. The plastic tube is easier to fill and frost with than traditional piping bags. If you are looking to decorate flowers or any sort of decoration that needs to retain its shape, it is best to use stiff buttercream. The stiff consistency will help the shapes hold their form. When this recipe is made, it has a stiff consistency. The right consistency. If you are looking for the right consistency for frosting cupcakes, borders, and flat decorations, a medium consistency buttercream is your best bet. Add 1 teaspoon of either cornstarch or water for each cup to your frosting. This is the most popular consistency for frosting. For a thin consistency, add 4 tablespoons of water and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch to your frosting. This consistency is best for lines, printing, and icing a cake. If you are wanting an easy way to frost your cake, you can use a spatula and a turntable. Simply gently place the tip of the spatula on the bottom of the cake at a slight angle, and slowly move the turntable while moving the spatula upward, creating a ribbon design. You can also use the spatula and turntable to create several different frosting designs. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.